This mountain you gave me is the greatest map and territory, but you hid the ground in all of its glory. I chewed the future, I placed the vision on your plate, but now you want my wings locked within your hand. You say the nest is safe, that out there is the end, but this false freedom no longer serves me. I am not livestock waiting for the end. I do not accept crumbs as the only path. Time dictates the rule, you dictate my place, but I was born with the horizon engraved in my claws and my gaze. Now they'll have to watch me fly, whether they want to or not. I am not the actor in your own fiction. I am the master of my wings that write my life with feathers from my own history. I won't trade a single feather for a false glory. Free to fly, looking towards my horizon, I'll break the cage with the force and the grit of my claw. You locked me in this coop and call it my protection. If I am the protagonist, then the door is the exit. I won't be the caretaker of your lost soul. The food you give me bears the weight of this chain. I prefer scarcity over being a prisoner, a slave. I have been silence, I already know. Through the streets I love, I conquered my place. They demand